Nintendo has finally revealed its new Switch 2 console. The updated model is fully rebuilt from the ground up and improves over every aspect of its predecessor. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and subscribe my channel for more latest videos. Thanks. The Switch 2 comes with the new and improved Joy-Con 2. The biggest new feature of the Joy-Con 2 is that can individually or together be used as a mouse. This enables additional functionality within games, where you can use one or both controllers as a mouse, as long as the game offers support for the feature. The Switch 2 has a new display, but unfortunately, this is still an LCD panel. It's larger at 7.9 inches in size and features an increased resolution of 1080 by 1920 pixels. The refresh rate has been bumped up to 120 Hz, and there's also support for VRR. The Switch 2 also has improved video out support thanks to a new dock. It can now output at up to 4K resolution or 1440 pixel resolution at up to 120 Hz. The Nintendo Switch 2 features improved audio. The built-in speakers have been improved, and there will also be 3D audio support when using the speakers or headphones in compatible games. The Nintendo Switch 2 features 256 GB, and it also supports micro SD cards up to 2 TB. This time they have to be express cards, as the standard micro SD cards used by the Switch are not fast enough. The console features Wi-Fi 6 connectivity as well as Bluetooth. You can also connect using Ethernet through the dock. The battery capacity is 5220 mAh. The Nintendo Switch 2 will be available on June 5, 2025. It will come in two versions: a standard version with just the console, and a bundled edition that includes a digital edition of Mario Kart World. It is priced at $450 for the standard edition and $500 for the Mario Kart World bundle. That's all for now, and thanks for watching.